We are landing on a South Pole on Moon and become a part of elite club of World Foam Space Organization. And this happened with the help of and hard work of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Jai Hind everyone. Today's lecture topic Indian Space Research Organization. So first of all, we are discussing about what is ISRO. ISRO is a space agency which is responsible to planning, execution as well as space related activities. Origin and history of ISRO. ISRO is started from in 1960 initially, and it is basically upgraded at various stages. Establishment started with INCOSPER in 1962 under the Department of Atomic Energy, and this was happen with the suggestion of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, and it is started with Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, which is situated in Tamil Nadu. After that, the establishment of ISRO is happened in 15th August 1969, and it is released in COSPER and create a new harness about the space technology. Objective ISRO is primary development and application of space technology as well as advancement about the space and technological research as well. Key center of ISRO is situated in Vikram Sarabhai, Thiruvananthapuram, as well as UR Rao satellite at Bengaluru, Satish Dhawan at Sriharikota, and liquid propulsion system center at Bengaluru, Space Application Center at Ahmedabad, National Remote Sensing Center at Hyderabad, and various missions are launching by ISRO. We are talking about first the vehicle which is used by ISRO basically. First of all, PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Second is GSLV, Geosynchronized Satellite Launch Vehicle. Third one is Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle MK3, which is called as LVM3, and it is actively participate and operationalized vehicle at that time. Experimental satellite which is launched by ISRO is Aryabhat and Rohini. Communication satellite is GSAT, as well as INSAT 1B, which is discovered in 1983, and which is also a revolutionary aspect in ISRO history. Earth observatory satellite is Bhaskar, IRS-1A, and other etc. Navigation satellite which is started from GPS aided geo augmentation navigation, which is named acronym as GAGAN. Navic IC, which is also indigenous satellite and communication navigation system, and small satellite which is less than 500 kilogram. And space exploration of ISRO is Astrosat Mars Orbiter mission, which is acronym as MOM, which is launched in 2013 about the Mars mission, and Chandrayaan 3, which is initially I said about the landing of the South Pole. Aditya L1, which is the first solar mission which is launched by ISRO. Some hurdle and some challenges in ISRO, basically budget constraint. We seen about the annual budget has grown steadily around 1.45 billion, and demand more than this, and globally limited around 7 billion estimated of this ISRO, but it is accounted around 2% of the global market, which is also create a chaos about the ISRO. And space debris, other legislative policies are also become a constraint. Opportunity market growth around 350 billion now, and projected 500 billion by 2025. New space startup and small satellite revolution as well. So these are some opportunity also in coming future about the ISRO aspect, and this is about ISRO. Thank you.